like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of our incoming inventory, all makes, all models. We are the premier salvage and repairable car dealership in the Northeast. Right now, this is the second load of vehicles we have coming in today. We have a GMC Terrain 2020, 2020 Lexus UX250 hybrid. We got a 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera. We have a 2020 Jeep Cherokee. We have a GLS 450 2017. We have a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the Hemi. 2017 Land Rover Range Rover. That's a 2021 Lexus ES300. And another 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. It's a tongue twister. We're about to unload all these vehicles, take pictures, post them on our website, prices, details, all the information. If you see something you like, give us a call. Thanks.